Hi guys, it's Carlo, welcome back. Just with a quick update on the wheel situation. I received the brand new Team Dynamics Pro Race 3 alloys this morning. Only ordered them last night, so really chuffed that they got here this morning. It's Saturday, so I've had time to double check that they fit and also take them down to town to get the tyres put on them, so I've got some ability to drive the car hopefully. So this is about those tyres, the wheels and also the wheel nuts. Quite a fun little discovery when I ordered some new wheel nuts. So let's go and take a look. So here they are, brand new alloys that arrived this morning. Got them shipped down overnight. I'm really pleased that I got them on Saturday morning. That means I can go and get the tyres changed over from my stock rims, get them balanced, valves, etc. Get them on the car and get some motoring in. Really pleased with the anthracite grey that I went for. Pretty much everyone stocks the gloss black wheels. I'm not really into gloss black with the white car. Not sure why, but hey ho. But I did find Demon Tweaks had these in stock, and I need them quite urgently because I've got a track day on the 15th of Feb. So I've got these. I'm going to put my tyres on today, and here are the spigot rings. The guys at Demon Tweaks advised the alloy ones because they're under a lot of braking. They obviously heat up and we don't want the plastic ones to melt. Let's get these AIT alloy lug nuts, which I'll tell you about in a bit. Actually preferred the white wheels. I was going to go for white rims, but they're factory order, so they wouldn't have come on time for my track day. But I've got actually a set of R888Rs to for sort of summer track work. So I've ordered the white ones anyway. They'll take 4 or 5 weeks to come. Let you know when they come, and I'll put those tyres on those wheels and have them ready for some summer action. Doing some hill climbs, as I said. Really looking forward to that. I quite like the white. It's a bit of a sort of throwback to the 80s rally days, which holds fond memories for me. So I'll have this set for general road use and sort of winter track work, and the white ones for the R888Rs for hot days and summer track work and hill climbs. So that's the hardware. So here we are. Just gently put the wheel on loosely, just to demonstrate how it works with the clearance. Really like the colour. As I said earlier, you can't get hold of these that quickly without a factory order. So let's talk about clearance on the calipers. You can see there's at least probably about 1.5 centimetres there between the caliper and the spoke of the rim. I'm really pleased about, because with the stock wheel and the 20mm spacer, I had about 1 millimetre, so it was pretty tight. And then of course between the caliper itself and the sort of circumference of the wheel, there's probably another centimetre there between the caliper extremities and the wheel. So plenty of room there, and I'm just already starting to think whether there's enough room for making it future-proof, because I do intend to go for the 6-pot calipers, that brake kit that Martin does down at NJP, and it'd be great if they could just squeeze into these wheels without another adventure to find wheels that work. They're really pleased these fit. Love the colour. No space is needed. I've done the BC coilover. I've made the ride height as high as possible, allowing enough. You've got to leave 80 centimetres worth of strut down in the lower mount at a minimum. You can't raise it any higher than that, and I've done that. I've actually left 100mm just to be on the safe side. So off to town later today. Next time you see me will be in a minute, and we should have tyres on board, wheels on board, and we'll be able to take the car out for a drive at some point. Yeah, so a little bit of fun. Let's see how much stock lug nut weighs. 60 grams, pretty heavy. And these AIT equivalents alloys, 14 grams. So actually you can get a wheel's worth of those. 4 of them are still less than one of the stock lug nuts, which is amazing. So highly recommend those. So here they are, the wheels fitted with enough brake clearance for the Revo Big Brake kit not to require spacers, and hopefully with the ride height that I've set pretty high now on the BC coilovers, there shouldn't be any problem with rubbing. I can already see that my wheels are pretty well in the set as compared to what I was running before, which was the stock wheels with 20mm spacers. They just kept protruded a bit too much. Really excited by the colour. I know there's lots of people out there that prefer the black, but I went for the anthracite grey. There are the wheel nuts. I've still got the extended wheel bolts on the hub from my previous configuration, so I'll probably order some stock shorter hub nuts, bolts to replace those so that the bolts don't stick out quite so much. But anyway, really pleased that they fit. They're on, the car's sitting back on its wheels again, and hopefully, if not this weekend, next, take it out for a bit of a shakedown run, and then think about adjusting the coilovers to lower them a bit more to see what I can get away with. So there you have it, guys. Car has finally got its wheels back on after about, it feels like about 4 weeks without them on there, without them being able to work with Big Brake kits. So I'm definitely excited about the prospect of driving the car. All for now. I'll be back with another update shortly. Thanks a lot.